Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 71 how to make your page public on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone, the Instagram application. So now we can go all the way to the iPhone, go to Instagram, click on Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile and then swipe left. Go to settings, go to privacy, account privacy. The account is private. To make this public, click on private account, change the privacy to public. Yes, anyone will be able to see your photos and videos on Instagram. You will no longer need to approve followers. Note, any pending follow requests will also be automatically approved. Change, go back once, twice, 3 times. Go to your second account, search for computer science videos, click on this, and now the account is public for everybody to see. Go back to computer science videos, go to your profile, go to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.